Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Most people think wealth is about money. It's not. Wealth is the result of thousands of small decisions, made consistently in the right direction. The problem? Most people don't have a compass. They choose emotionally, not strategically. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the Wealth Decision, Compass, TM, a simple system to guide every financial decision toward long-term wealth. Section 1. Why decisions matter more than income. Two people can earn the same salary. One builds wealth, the other stays stuck. The difference? Decision direction, not income size. Section 2. The 4 points of the wealth decision. Compass north, long-term impact. Ask, will this decision help me in 5 years? Short-term pleasure often points south. East, cash flow effect. Ask, does this increase or drain my monthly cash flow? Wealthy people protect cash flow fiercely. West, skill and value growth. Ask, does this improve my skills or reduce them? Wealth grows where skills grow. South, risk and protection. Ask, what is the downside if this fails? Wealth builders manage risk. They don't ignore it. Section 3. Why most people stay lost financially. Because they decide emotionally, chase status, ignore long-term cost, fear delayed rewards, they follow feelings instead of direction. Section 4. How to use the compass. Daily before any major decision, ask 1. Where does this point long-term? 2. What happens to my cash flow? 3. Does this upgrade my value? 4. How protected am I if it fails? If the decision points north-east-west and controls south, move forward. Section 5. Signs you're using the compass correctly. Calmer financial choices, fewer regrets, steady net worth growth, long-term confidence. Conclusion. Wealth is not built by luck. It is built by directional decisions. Install the Wealth Decision, Compass TM, and let every choice move you closer to financial freedom.